everyone, welcome to my channel. My name is Marjorie and today I have a special co-host. This is my grandson. He's 18 months old. His name is DJ. Well, we call him DJ. His name is Dion. And today he's going to be helping me with a plaid unboxing. Plaid just sent me a box and I am so proud and honored to be a part of their family. And you know, I've watched many unboxings of Plaid products from other wonderful creators, and I just never realized until I started seeing the unboxings of how much of their products that I use on a regular basis anyways. And now to be a part of it, it's just truly amazing to me. I'm very appreciative. So let's go ahead and get started with the unboxing. So the first product is the Podge decoupage tool. It's a brayer, so I really can't wait to use it. So apparently DJ likes it too. And here we have some paint brushes. You can never have too many. And these are exactly the type of paint brushes that I love to use. So I'm real excited. I do have several bottles of some Mod Podge that I'm so excited. Can't wait to use. I've got the dishwasher safe one, so that is really awesome. I can't wait to try this one out. There's another one in here. Are you telling them all about it, babe? Yeah, you want to tell them about this one? So this is another one. That's the hard coat. So I'm not really sure what it is for. I'll have to do a little bit more research, like how it's a little bit different. I'm expecting that it's just going to be maybe a little bit thicker and maybe give it a harder, better coverage. Not really sure. I mean, Mod Podge has great coverage as it is already. This one here is the satin. And then they also sent me two of the smaller bottles, which is of the gloss and of the matte. And I just absolutely love using this. So now they gave me a whole bunch of different color paints that I really am excited and can't wait to use, because there's a lot of beautiful spring and summer colors, and some of these colors can even run into the fall and Christmas time. So I mean, I've got beautiful, beautiful colors. So Apple Barrel, everybody knows Apple Barrel from Walmart, and it's pretty good acrylic paint. This is the matte flag red. I've got a matte acrylic white, and then I've got the matte black. You playing with them, babe? I also have a matte bright blue that is so pretty. I'm just really loving the blues and the greens this year. All the different colors of them. So we do have a couple of the brushed metal looks, and this is the silver and the gold. What are you doing, babe? You want to say hi? Say hi. Hi. Say hi, honey. Oops, sorry. So they also, Plaid is also the maker of the Ceramacoat brand. And this is a beautiful pink salmon color and a Lost Lagoon. We've got a beautiful crocus yellow. And then we also have a lime sorbet. And this is such a pretty pale blue. It's paradise. So pretty. And then I also have some various folk art brands that they have. So this is a very pretty aqua color. And then this is orange. This is a multi-surface. Actually, let me see if the other, this is actually a multi-surface. The aqua was not. Then we have this acrylic folk art and Calypso Sky. So pretty again. I'm just loving these blues. We have a multi-surface Cayman blue. Then we also have a multi-surface bright green. And then we just have a folk art red apple. A folk art multi-surface in moon yellow. That's very pretty. And this folk art acrylic in seashell pink. Put it in. Sit down, baby. Sit down. I think he's a little excited of the products as well. Then we have this beautiful acrylic. It's actually kind of like scratched off a little bit there, so I don't know, but it's a yellow and it's very, very pretty. It's a kind of like a lighter, a little bit pale yellow. And then we have a multi-surface lavender. And then the last thing we have is an acrylic matte and apple barrel in the color bright yellow. So this was all that they sent me, and I'm so appreciative of being able to become a part of the family. And I cannot wait to use some of these products in our upcoming videos. So if you haven't subscribed yet, please do so. Hit the notification bell. That way you can be notified of all the videos. And you never know when this guy is going to be a filler in one of my videos. He does like to make little appearances, even if it's just his tiny feet. But he does like to make appearances. And I'm really excited. I know I've said it 100 times already, but I'm really excited about getting to use some of these beautiful color paints and the Mod Podge, the different types, and see what great products we can come up with. Isn't that right, baby? So, I hope you guys have a great weekend and upcoming week, and stay blessed, everyone. Thank you for stopping by. You want to say bye-bye? Say bye-bye. Say bye-bye. Bye-bye. All right. Have a blessed day.